We good? Alright, well, we had a bull in here last night that, just worked crazy, got to within like 15 yards of us, but we couldn't get a shot. So we just came off the field a little bit farther and got to where we could see this bottom. So we're going to try to do some calling from here and just see and just listen. See if maybe we can catch that bull back in here or a different bull, but tons of moose tracks all through here. I don't know, hopefully we can seal the deal this morning. I think we gotta go at him. Those trees.
Okay.
These trees right here.
I can hear him.
I know I can too.
I just can't see him.
I know, do you see these trees right here in front of us? Try to walk on the grass, on the high stuff, and we'll go straight. Yeah.
Like... Oh! 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 It's too thick. I'm on him. I'm on him. He's coming this way. He's coming this way. He's right there. Do you see him? I'm on him. I don't got him right now.
Did you get him? Get down.
Nice.
Oh, you on it?
Yeah. You guys, I mean, you see him walking down, but when you shoot him, you see him run.
So, we came in here last night and had a crazy encounter with this bull. And we knew he was going to be close. This is his area. We called him from over 1,000 yards probably. He came in so hard last night and got within 15 of us, but it was so thick that we couldn't do anything with him. So we got out of here, came back this morning and went right back to where we started and just sat and sat, nothing. So I wanted to come down in this bottom to see if we were going to call him again, if we could get him killed a certain way. So we got down here. As soon as we got down here, I heard him walking. I heard a moose walking over here. So I just start calling to him and raking leaves and raking branches. And he only answered us a couple times. He didn't really. You just hear him walking. You could hear him raking stuff. And then he tried to he got quiet. So I almost went at him, but I could hear something walking so far, but I couldn't tell what it was. So we sat and sat, and all of a sudden he popped up on the hill, trying to cut our wind, because it was kind of out of the north. Trying to cut our wind, and he got up to where he could look down this path and couldn't see anything. And man, he came on a rope, like straight at us. So I hit him the first time, missed him second time, hit him the third time. I saw the third one freaking smoking. But hopefully we can get over there. I don't know how we're gonna get him out, but surely we can bring the Argo.
Yeah, the Argo.
Come down here. All right, let's keep it rolling and see if we can get to him. I don't know if we can.
Shorten his legs so I can move a little better. Did he go back over that hill, or is he just laying there?
No, I think he's right here. Right there. Make sure he's dead. I saw it, he got like wobble-legged.
Yeah.
I don't know where.
He might have crested over that hill.
He didn't make the hill, I think. You wouldn't think you'd miss a freaking 2,000-pound animal laying there.
Oh, you didn't miss him.
No, I mean laying down.
Oh, lying down.
I just saw him teeter over. Because he came down.
Yeah, he came down. I think you shot him. Somewhere.
I think we were in there. Weren't we? We're up that cut, right?
So he might have been more this way.
Holy moly. Dude, that's a beast. Holy cow. Holy moly, boy. Smells ready, that's for sure. You get something this big, like you don't want to get close to it. That.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
I don't even know how to position him. That's crazy. Dude, how big they are. It's just insane.
That's awesome. He's really brown.
Do what?
He's really brown. Like, he's not
Yeah.
really that black.
Along the top.
Oh, sweet.
What can I say, man? Battle River, we're here. This is day 4, I believe. 3.5. But, man, I've never been on a moose hunt in my life. And after last night, I don't know if it was this bull, I'm pretty certain it was, but after last night, that encounter we had, where they just came in just absolutely just mad. Came in breaking stuff, got to 15 yards, and you know, they're just giants. It's just crazy that the size of these animals and what they can do, but we're super happy to have one down. Man, this is cool, and it's definitely been a hunt of a lifetime, that's for sure. But Battle River Outfitters, Saskatchewan, Canada. It is a great trip to make. I'm a guy from the Midwest who chase whitetail all the time, and come out here, it's completely foreign, but man, it's a huge rush. It's something like I've never experienced in my life, so super awesome. So glad we got it done. Now we got the work ahead of us, but man, what can you say? Well, I'm gonna try to get some pictures of him.